Hello my lovelies, welcome back to my channel for another step-by-step makeup tutorial. If today is the first time of stopping by, you're welcome. Thank you for stopping by. God bless you. First, I'm using a face primer to prime my face. Next, I'm using a foundation for my face. Please don't forget to show me love, support me by clicking the subscribe button. Thank you very much. God bless you. Thank you for subscribing, thank you for supporting me, and thank you for showing me love. Thank you for watching my video. I appreciate it. I'm grateful. Thank you. God bless you. Next, I'm using a concealer to highlight my face. All the product I'm using, all the names of the product I'm using will be listed down in the description box below. Next, I'm using concealer to contour my cheek, my nose, and my forehead. Next, I'm using a pressed powder to set my highlights. Set the highlights. Pressed powder. Next, I'm using a setting powder. I'm using a setting powder to set my highlights and the bake as well. Next, I'm using Ebony Bronzer to bronze my cheek and my forehead, or the part I contoured. Bronze the cheek up. Next, I'm cleaning my nose contour to define it more. Next is brow time. I'm using David's brow pencil in number 3 for my brows. Next, I'm using a concealer to clean up my brows and to define it more. I'm using the same concealer as my eyeshadow base too. These eyes. I'm using this dark brown shade as my transition color for my crease first. Next, I'm using concealer to cut the crease. We are doing a little cut crease today, so I'm using a concealer to cut the crease. A little cut crease. Next, I'm using that yellow shade, bright yellow shade for my eyelid. For the whole of my eyelid, yellow. Yellow, yellow, yellow for the whole of my eyelid. The whole eyelid, yellow. Yellow, yellow. Today is the yellow day. Yellow, yellow, yellow. Bringing the cut crease out a little bit to the outer part of my eye to make it a little bit longer. And I'm using a black eyeshadow shade for the cut crease. Where I cut the crease, I'm using a black to blend in the edges, blend in the the brown and the yellow. Where the brown and the yellow meet, I'm using the black to blend it. Draw a little line, a little wing line. Next, I'm using milk Zumbo pencil for my waterline. I'm adding a yellow shade on on my lower lash line. Pop, 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 pop. Next, I'm lighting my eyes with a liquid eyeliner. To meet with the line, eyeshadow line. Draw the wing. Everything meets. Next is mascara. Next is eyelash. Popping. Eyes are popping. Next, I'm using a powder puff to clean, to smoothen the face. Smooth the face. Next is blush time. Blush on the cheek. Cara makeup blush palette is what I'm using to blush up the cheek. Next is highlighter. Highlight the face. Highlighter to highlight the face. Light the face up. Setting spray to set the makeup. Next is little mascara for the lower lash line. Little mascara for the lower lash line. Next is lips. Line the lips. Then a clear lip gloss to gloss it up, gloss the lips up, make it glossy. Thank you guys for watching my video. Thank you. I appreciate it. Please don't forget to click the subscribe button. Support me, show me love. Thank you for subscribing. God bless you. Thank you very much. I appreciate it. Thank you. Bye. See you in my next video.